Hello students, welcome to Babbar's Academy. This is the continuation of MoleConcept and Stoichimetry. Now we will do MoleConcept. What is MoleConcept? It includes mole. As we go to a grocery shop, we have our list as 1 kg apples, 1 liter milk, 1 dozen bananas. But we never use mole. This mole is what? This is a unit in chemistry. हम इसको केमिस्ट्री में मोल को एज ए यूनिट यूज करते हैं. ये हमारी एवरीडे लाइफ में नहीं यूज होता. So what is mole? Because it is not possible to find the mass of an atom or molecule or ion, so therefore we use mole for it. Mole is a 1 mole, we can say 1 mole is equal to 6 into 0.2 into 10 raised to power 23 elementary particles, or we can say molecules. Now, what is Avogadro's number? Avogadro's number. It is the number of atoms, ions or molecules present in 1 mole of a substance. And what is this? 1 mole is equal to this. So this number, this is called Avogadro's number, 6.022 multiplied by 23. This is the Avogadro number. Now as we see, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. What is this? This is the particles or molecules of any substance. And 1 mole is also unit of that substance. These two are equal. The third thing we will take, if it is solid, we take the unit, that is gram molecular mass, GMM, gram molecular mass, or we can say number of particles. And this is also equal to 22.4 liter at STP, that is, this is the volume of gas or volume of liquid. If it is, that means 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is equal to gram molecular mass, that is 1 gram molecular mass. This is equal to 22.4 liters of any volume of gas at STP, standard temperature pressure. Then next comes molar volume. Molar volume of a gas can be defined as the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP, that is standard temperature pressure. These are the terms we are using while finding the molar mass in grams. So we have to know all about these terms. Now how to find molar mass in grams or number of atoms that we use for numericals. We can take the example of first we can take sulfur dioxide as substance. We can write substance here, and mass of it. Then we have to find molar mass in grams. Then comes volume at STP. I'll tell you how to find all these. Then comes number of particles and one more, number of atoms. First comes sulfur dioxide. We can write sulfur dioxide moles, number of moles, that is we can write moles. Number of moles is 1. Molar mass is, mass of sulfur is 32 and 2 oxygen multiplied by 16. This comes equal to 64 grams. And volume at STP, this is 22 because this is a gas, so many liters. And number of particles 6 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. And number of atoms, S atom is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. And O atoms is equal to 2 into, because oxygen is 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In the same way we can find more. That is the next. We can take the case of let's say water. It is number of moles is 1 and molar mass is 2 into 1 plus 16, 18 grams, and this is again 22.4, 6 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and number of atoms is H atom, that is 2, so we will multiply 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and oxygen atom is equal to 1, so only 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In this way we can check that the equation 1 gram molecular mass is equal to 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles is equal to 22.4 liter at STP. These are equal, and we can check it for the another molecules also. Now, if you like my video, don't forget to comment and share it. Please subscribe my channel also.